Coolness for me is timeless, and timelessness is a concept of recognizability. And it is this uniqueness that drives our customers with their own individual cars, which we bring to the road through exclusive Manufaktur, with some very special features. We can only achieve this because we think like our customers, and because we have employees who are passionate about what they do and always have their most important tools with them.
It's really what defines Porsche for me, and I reckon that it has shown over the decades that the right spark has been there from the very beginning.
I just thank God our history is so incredibly rich in terms of iconic patterns, colors, and materials.
Well, there certainly are some such style icons in the history of Porsche, not least the Porsche 356. When we started with the heritage theme, it became clear right away that we'd want to refer to this car.
Taking these elements and transporting them into a modern vehicle is not a simple task. This is due to the demands of our engineers and modern standards of quality. But I think we were very successful with the 911 Targa 4S Heritage Design Edition.
Well, if you look at it from the outside, of course it's the special color, the new Bordeaux red metallic. But above all, it's the special graphics which make the car immediately recognizable. In particular is what we call the spear graphic, which was also used on racing cars in the past, like a kind of war paint. Otherwise, of course, there are all the many details in the interior, like the whole set of instruments which light up in beautiful green colors. Once again, this is something that has been used before in our history. We have Porsche logos that are all in gold. And we've reintroduced period materials, like corduroy velvet. What I also think is cool is that the car was just one part of the edition. So we also have accessories, not least a watch that references the design, the markings, and the color of the rev counter. A cool combination.
So, we've seen the classic look in the modern car, but now I want to come back to the theme of coolness. Here, I have all the modern assistance systems that I would want to have as a customer. I have state-of-the-art infotainment. Basically, I have all the amenities I'd expect in a modern car.
With our heritage design models, I think we are uniquely combining the highly attractive qualities of our past product with our current ultra-modern vehicles of the present day, creating a highly exclusive, individual offering that we have all enjoyed so much that we will continue to work on it. Indeed, we're all looking forward to 3 more heritage design models coming in the future.